Creating an event on Facebook is a great way to invite friends, organize meetups, or even host online gatherings. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create your very own event step by step. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile section. At the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. From the menu, select Events. Here, you'll be able to see all the events created by others. To create your own, tap on the plus icon at the top. Now, you'll need to fill in the event details, such as the event name, a cover picture, the date and time, and the location. You can choose whether it will be held physically or virtually. Once you've added all the required details, simply hit the Create Event button and your event will go live instantly. And that's it. Your Facebook event is now active and you can start inviting people right away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Facebook tutorials.